Alright, for today's video, I do a Disney filter makeup challenge. So as seen on Instagram, there is that Disney filter. So I used that to figure out what character I was going to do my makeup based off of today. So if you guys want to see the character that I got and how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, let's see what character I'm doing my makeup based off of. Okay, so I get to work with black, yellow, and blue. Alright, Dory, we're coming for you. Okay, so unfortunately that filter doesn't let me film sideways, so it's going to be straight up and down for you guys. I apologize for that. And then I didn't notice, but Dory had a little bit of pink in her eyes, or like a magenta. So I get to work with black, blue, yellow, and magenta. So this should be interesting, and I am a little nervous. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Hardcandy Perfecting primer today. So I don't know if anyone else on YouTube has, like, I'm sure there are Disney makeup challenges, but I haven't actually seen anyone use the Disney filter on Instagram. So I thought maybe I just start my own Disney makeup challenge. So I'm not gonna do anything too wild with like contouring today. I'm just basically gonna do my Dory makeup. So this should be interesting. I'm kind of excited. I've never really done something quite like this before. Oh, I forgot to show you. The concealer I used is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer Concealer. Next I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Filter. Use the Tarte Airbrush Foundation brush to just buff that out. Okay, and since I'm kind of going out of my comfort zone lately, I'm gonna do an all matte eye look. What? Crazy? Me? Who? Yes, I'm doing all matte today. And then for contouring, I'm just going to lightly contour with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush to do this. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Blush. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Sagittarius, and then I'm just using that Quo fanning brush to apply that. And then for my nose highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use one of those Walmart oval brushes. Okay, so we're definitely going to use the James Charles palette today. I actually found 4 colors that are going to work really well with this, so I did it wrong way. So there's the blue, the yellow, the kind of pink, and the black. And actually the colors look really nice side by side. And I think for my transition color, I'm going to use the pink shade first. So for that, the shade is called Love That, and it is this one right here. So to apply this, I'm gonna go in with JS5. That is the fluffier brush out of the pack, and I'm just very lightly picking up that color. We're gonna tap it off, and I'm just gonna start blending that into my crease and outer corner. I also did not go in with a primer today, just because I did bring my foundation over my eyes. So I didn't really feel it necessary to put that extra work in for that. So now I'm gonna do things a little backwards today, because I'm gonna be taking that yellow into my inner corner. Taking JS6, we're going to pick up B, so that is this yellow shade here in the palette. And like I said, that is going right into my inner corner and onto the lid just a little bit. And I'm going to be packing it in there. Okay, so I'm liking how that yellow is hanging out there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that blue. I am so sorry guys, my camera stopped shooting for some reason, so I have gone ahead and I started going in with Spooky, that's this one right here, in the palette. And I'm still using JS6, and all I've done so far is just trying to smoke out that outer corner there. I also just went back and watched, and unfortunately it didn't show me putting on the blue. So what I did was I packed on the blue shade out of the palette. The shade is called Cola. It was this one right here. So I went ahead and packed it in where there was no color, and then taking JS5, that big fluffy brush we use for the pink, I went and buffed it out, and that's all I did. And then I just barely started applying the black shade, which was Spooky. So I am just slowly adding it at a time here. I'm not taking too much on my brush. I am being quite easy with this because with black you can't fix it, and I really don't want to have to go back and rectify any mistakes. But I think I'm gonna stop there. It's smoky but not too smoky. I'm gonna go back into that pink shade Love That, and I'm picking up a decent amount, and I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take JS11, that's this packing brush here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take some of Cola on that and just ever so slightly pack that just in the middle of the blue, just to make the blue pop a little bit more. Okay, and then one more time, just taking that fluffy brush and blending out above the crease, just to get rid of any harsh lines. And I'm just taking a smidgen of Love That on the brush to do that, and then that'll also just bring that pink back on the top there. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take Annabelle, the white eye pencil, and line my lower lash line. And you guys see me doing this in almost every eye look because it does make the eyes appear a little bit larger. And then I'm going to take my NYX Black Eye Pencil and just line my lash line for now. I don't know if I'm doing a wing. Okay, and then for mascara, we're gonna go in with the Covergirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara and the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Both of these are waterproof. Okay, we are just going to fill in my brows just a little bit, just because my eye makeup's so freaking intense. Okay, brows are looking good. So the question is, what kind of lipstick do I put on? Because I feel like maybe I'm gonna go with Baby Doll by Kat Von D and see what I think. And of course, because I got Dory and she is an underwater character, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. Okay, and then I think for my hair today, I'm just gonna split it and braid it. And then I am going to leave some pieces completely untouched, so probably that for that side, because I'm gonna curl those ones. So I'm not doing any fancy braids, I'm just going to braid it out of my face and off to the side, and I will go ahead and loosen the braids as well. Yeah, so I like my braid to look like that. And then I will tie off the end, and then because my hair is just a little frizzy right now because of the dry weather, I am gonna go ahead and just fix that bottom once my flat iron is hot. Okay, I'm just gonna take a hair clip to clip that out of the way, and then I'm gonna go ahead and brush this real quick. I also check the back just to make sure I'm not missing any hair. Oh, I actually didn't want to braid all that either. Okay, now we're going to let the bangs down. So I'm going to curl this one in 2 pieces, I think. I'm just going to take this top piece here first. I'm just straightening them. Alright guys, and this is the final look. This is my Dory look. We incorporated the black on the outer edges. We have the blue in the middle, the yellow on the outside, and then the pink is our transition and the accent underneath. Again, once again, I really like this look. I think it's very cute. I probably will do it again. It's very bright and colorful, and I've never done like a solid matte look before, so this is actually, I didn't think I would like a matte because I like a shimmer so much, but no, I'm really enjoying this look. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. As always, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what your favorite Disney character is. Thank you so much.